Hey everyone, want to upgrade your Mega plan and get more storage? In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your Mega account step by step. Yeah, upgrading your plan gives you more cloud space and access to additional features for storing and managing your files. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to upgrade the storage plan. Next, open your account menu and go to the Plans, Pro, or Upgrade section. This area shows the available subscription options for your account. Now review the different Mega plans available. Compare the storage space, transfer limits, and features to choose the option that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, click the Upgrade button and continue to the payment section. Make sure you choose the correct plan before completing the purchase. Enter your payment information and confirm the subscription. Mega will process the payment and update your account with the new plan. Once the upgrade is complete, return to your account settings and check your storage information. You should now see your increased storage limit and updated plan details. If you use Mega on multiple devices, the upgraded storage will be available across your account automatically. So you can continue uploading and syncing files with the new storage limit. Before upgrading, review your current storage usage to choose a plan that provides enough space for your future needs. And that's how you upgrade your Mega plan. With a higher storage plan, you can keep more files, backups, and projects safely stored in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.